Bienvenidos! Welcome to LingoMag, a channel for English speakers who want to learn Spanish in a fun and interactive way. Today we're going to practice deletreo, spelling out. And we are going to spell out some popular names in Spanish. Nombres populares. Nombres populares. If you're learning Spanish, please subscribe to the channel. There will be new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Empecemos. We'll start with a popular female name, which is Cristina. Cristina. C R I S T I N A. Cristina. Now we'll do a boy's name. Antonio. Antonio. A N T O N I O. Antonio. Carmen. Carmen. C A R M E N. Carmen. Hugo. Hugo. So you'll see here that when the first letter of the word is an H, we actually don't pronounce it. Hugo. H U G O. Hugo. Laura. Laura. L A U R A. Laura. Manuel. Manuel. M A N U E L. Manuel. Dolores. Dolores. D O L O R E S. Dolores. David. David. D A V I D. David. Pilar. Pilar. P I L A R. Pilar. Luis. Luis. L U I S. Luis. Valeria. Valeria. B A L E R I A. Valeria. Daniel. Daniel. D A N I E L. Daniel. Martina. Martina. M A R T I N A. Martina. Pablo. Pablo. P A B L O. Pablo. If you'd like to get some free online practice, please check the instructions in the description box below the video. I'll be personally correcting all the exercises that I received this week. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the lesson, and if you liked it, please like this video and remember to subscribe to the channel. Hasta pronto!